In every breath, inhale peace and exhale negativity. Hi, I'm Sheetal, and today I'm going to perform asanas and meditations which will help us take positive breaths. The first pose that I'm performing is called Bhujangasana or the Cobra pose. I am beginning this pose by lying down flat on my stomach. I'm resting my palms by the sides of my chest, arms close to my body, elbows pointing outwards and toes facing downward. I'm inhaling and raising my forehead, neck and shoulders. I'm raising my trunk using the strength of my arms. I'm looking upward while breathing normally. I'm making sure that my stomach is pressed on the floor. I'm holding this pose for 5 seconds. I'm slowly lying back, flat on my stomach. I'm turning my head to one side and resting my arms by the side of my body. The second pose that I am performing is known as Setu bandhasana or the bridge pose. I am beginning this pose by lying down on my back. I am keeping my palms beside my body while my palms face down. I am bending my knees, keeping my feet close to my buttocks and knees hip distance apart on the floor. As I'm inhaling, I'm slowly lifting my lower back, middle back and upper back off the floor and holding my ankles with my palms. Now I'm gently rolling my shoulders in and touching the chest to the chin without bringing the chin down, while supporting my weight with my shoulders and feet. I now feel my bottom firm up in this pose. I'm keeping both my thighs parallel to each other and to the floor. I'm interlacing my fingers and pushing my hands on the floor to lift the torso a little more up. I'm keeping my breathing normal. I'm holding this pose for 30 seconds to a minute. As I'm exhaling, I'm gently releasing this posture. The third and the final pose that I am performing is called Matsyasana or the fish pose. I am beginning this pose by lying on my back with my feet together and hands relaxed alongside the body. Then I am placing my hands underneath my hips while my palms face down, and I am bringing my elbows closer toward each other. Now I am taking a deep breath and lifting my head and chest. I am keeping the chest elevated and lowering the head backward, with touching the top of the head to the floor. I am pressing the elbows firmly into the ground, placing my weight on the elbow and not on the head. My chest is lifted from in between the shoulder blades and my thighs and legs are pressed on the floor. I am holding this pose for 30 seconds, along with long, gentle breaths in and out. As I'm exhaling, I'm relaxing in this posture. Now I'm lifting the head up, lowering the chest, and I'm bringing my head to the floor, I'm bringing the hands back along the sides of the body and relaxing. For better results, repeat this twice. Yoga cleanses your mind, body, and soul. On this happy note, this is Sheetal taking your leave. Until we meet next, keep growing, keep glowing.